Fiido X folding electric bike. The future starts here, redefining the aesthetics of electric-powered bicycle design, breaking the conventional cognition. All your imagination will be reflected in Fiido X. It will bring you unprecedented enjoyment in both using experience and unique shape. Could be the perfect bike for all your sports needs, also can easily solve the problem of daily commuting. Furthermore, it's light and can be folded easily into the trunk. The 4+2 travel combination could help you to unlock more outdoor cycling experience. Fiido X has achieved unprecedented innovation in the industry, which will become the benchmark of the future electric-powered bicycle no matter in appearance or cycling experience. Fiido X continues the cutting-edge product design aesthetics of Fiido, and adopt a minimalist and technological design different from the traditional e-bike. With less exposed lines, lighter and sturdier body, you will enjoy a more pleasant riding experience with easier pedal assisting power and more intelligent cycling control.